I'm bored. What's gonna be the topic of this video? Damn it! Are you ever bored with your mundane, insignificant, and uneventful life? Do you ever lack burn marks on your feet? Then talk to your doctor about erectile dysfunction. Oh, this is a Taser Roomba ad? Damn it, that's the wrong script. I'll be back in a second. That's right, I made a Roomba that tases everything it bumps into. Yeah, it's a fire hazard. It's a weapon. May even be a war crime. Ha! I was too lazy to record me building the thing, so watch me install only the last part. The taser. I'm back. Got the right script. Oh boy, let's look at all the issues the Taser Roomba could solve. We got some taxes to file. No more with the Taser Roomba. You got an electric bill to pay? Not anymore with the Taser Roomba. You got a child to watch? Not anymore with the Taser Roomba. You got a pet to feed? Not anymore with the Taser Roomba. Maybe the child one alright, but like this one got me too far. Just look at this thing. Isn't it beautiful? Innovation. Avant-garde. Wash. Usurpation. Grandiose. Motif. Includes extraordinary design features like metal from a broken computer, poorly made 3D printed parts, switches from a microwave that I had repurposed for a different project. Oh, what's that I hear? You're asking how it works? Wait, you didn't actually say that? Oh no, oh man. Ugh, darn. Haha, I'm explaining it to you anyway. To oversimplify, this is the brain. It mindlessly tells the Roomba to just drive forward. Ooh boy, down on the front end of this Roomba right here, these are some of the switches. When it gets bopped, it sends a signal down to the brain. The brain immediately goes, oh no, what do I do? Then it just tases anything that just kind of bumped into. Then backs up, turns, and drives away, leaving behind whatever thing it has damaged, whether it is a fire, property damage, or a previously happy Roomba family that is now broken and remains mother or fatherless. Now let's talk about the code. Alright, that's enough talk about the code. As you can see, the code is bad quality and clearly done by a person within an attention span that lies somewhere between that of an average person and that of a 3.5-foot long monstrous rat located on a dimly lit New York subway train.